What's up, Duder McDudersons? So today I'll be showing you how I do the keratin treatment at home. It's really simple. No matter which type of keratin treatment you decide to go with, the first step will always be washing the hair with clarifying shampoo. The one I used on my mom's cute little head was the Sally Ion brand. This is to remove any product buildup that may interfere with some of the strong chemicals in the keratin. Now we're going to divide the hair into even sections. Now it's time to blow dry the hair. The keratin treatment has to be applied on dry hair. This is why we blow dry. Make sure to wear protective gear. Some of the chemicals in the keratin treatment are pretty strong. You do not want to be breathing in these chemicals. We picked up 2.5 ounces of the Global brand. I've experimented with Milano's chocolate. The duration of the treatment didn't last that long. We just prefer Global brand. I've learned from past experience that a little goes a long way. You don't want to completely saturate the hair with the treatment. It's going to make your hair look oilier. I'm not a professional. I've done this treatment on my own hair plenty of times after paying hundreds of dollars at the beauty salon getting it done professionally. And seeing how simple it was and acquiring their wizardly beautician skills, because they are wizards. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine, like the stars had all aligned. I lay beside today, tonight, your vibe, desire, our eyes on fire. And I breathe your aura, can I leave your aura? You have me like gravity. You don't have to try it, it's just like a magnet. You have me like gravity. Don't be shy, show them your sexy self.
or shelf.